Are you getting burned out trying to do a million things at once? Well, that's why Lindy is here to help you. Hey everyone, welcome to Lindy. So I know what you're going to say. Hey, I've heard about agents, but this one's going to save you time. It's going to help perform tasks. So if you have a customer website, you need to do customer support, you need to do outbound sales, lead gen. That's a lot for a whole business, but it's not a lot if you have a good AI. So I need help lead gen. Let's say I want to find 5 software engineers in San Francisco. Let's go. Hope they're good. So it'll ask this, like, do it immediately or build a workflow. Say do it immediately because we don't want to wait around. I want to get my software engineers because I got to build my multi-billion-dollar business. No, I'm just kidding. But here's the thing. Why I like this. Boom, boom, boom. I hope these guys are good. Now, you can also say, like, enrich with email or find 5 more. Lindy, help me learn how to talk. So, boom. Check this out. Boom, 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 boom. You can actually see what company they are, too. And then refine the search. So now you can even get more and more and more. Now, I think you get the idea here. So that is it. Now we can go to a new agent. So now I can have them do that. So I can do a screening. I can do a support Slack bot. I can do a lead outreacher right here. So now I can say, like, hey, Lindy, set up an autonomous. Now I'm not going to do this right here and now, but you can set up Gmail, Google Sheets, all that, and then start to add it. So I have my lead outreacher here. Look how happy he is. And here you can actually give it permission. So you'll need to authorize some things, but you can pull leads, you can talk to leads, you can do other stuff, you can handle other business, functions. And that's what I like about Lindy. It's not just your average, like, okay, here's a chat bot, like, good luck. Here's how you get to leads, or here's how you would do this, or here's how you do customer support. It's very, very simple. And then also you can connect your Slack account here. And that's what I really think is cool, because now it's almost functioning in a way similar to a human or human support. So here you can see, like, oh, okay, here's what Lindy can do. And I'm just going to, like, pick a, space. Now, and then if you want to here, you can go ahead and continue and connect this. So this can be an outreacher. So now we have a lead outreacher. How cool is that? That's how you can set your lead outreacher with Lindy, and it doesn't take much time at all. In fact, I think it's much, much easier than trying to go and find somebody, find a human, reach out to leads, cold call, hope they get it, and all that type of stuff. Now, it is going to take a little bit of time, so you definitely want to be patient with it as well. And that's the great power of Lindy right here. You're just going to go ahead and run it. And then actually it'll pop up right here in my Slack or whenever I'm ready. Now, if you don't want that, that's fine. You can just go ahead and work on something else. So that's the great thing about Lindy right here. So what does it do specifically? It is an agent it is a software that allows you to create different agents. So now I did customer support. Emails, I can do LinkedIn outreach. I can do a meeting recorder if I want, build a meeting, note taker right here. I didn't have to do very much. All I did was click the information here, and now we're off to another Lindy adventure. Building meeting, note taker. So we have the GCal meetings, and now we can go ahead and play with that, send an email summary. It does it all for you. And you can do different tasks while you're waiting. So I can wait for this to run while I'm running this. So I can click here to get my agent. Boom. So it's not just linear, like, oh, I can only work on one thing. I can only work on lead gen or customer support. Now this, you'll need to have more knowledge. You need to have triggers and understand how actions work and stuff like that. So I recommend looking at my Zapier video, but you're going to have to give the agent specific steps and specific triggers to do this. So first we'll have a specific trigger So we'll select a trigger right here. So it could just be something as simple as, chat with this agent. So once he gets a message received, then we can do that. Or you can have something if they book a meeting, or you can have a Gmail right here, like an email received. That's a popular one. Then it will go through and do that. And that's really the fun part about Lindy. And on the side panel here, you can actually see what you have got going on. So I have my meeting, my lead outreacher, right here. I have everything that I need. Or I can just go back home, or I can chat with the thing. So you have everything in one place. All you need to do is decide what you really want and what you want it to do. Now, you can set new agents up. You can go home. You can just go ahead and play around. And I think if you're trying to manage a whole team, you're getting stuck, Lindy is the best way to do it. So see which ones help your business and give it a shot. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.